Flare-ups are the rule and not the exception. I think we need to do a better job of preparing our clients and patients to have flare-ups in the future and set those expectations, because they're bound to happen. If you look at injuries, the most common injuries, hamstring, low back, ankle, what is the best predictor for future pain and injury in those areas is previous injuries, right? So we know that flare-ups are bound to happen, and if we can do a better job of setting our clients up for those expectations, I think the relationship will go a long way. And I think, in my opinion, we should be there for them and to support them when a flare-up happens. So I like to give them that expectation and really just be by their side and let them know I want to be there until you at least have a flare-up and see how you bounce back. Because in my opinion, that's what health is about and resiliency is about, your ability to bounce back, not just have the absence of any issues.